What historical marriage law reforms did Islam bring? Imagine a time when marriage was often based on tradition or power rather than fairness and respect. Islam changed that picture by introducing clear rules that protect everyone involved. These reforms made marriage more just and respectful, creating strong family bonds rooted in Islamic values. Islam made marriage a formal contract that both spouses agree to freely. Unlike some older customs where women had little say, Islam insists that a woman's consent is essential for a valid marriage. This change respects her dignity and gives her a voice in her own future. It also emphasizes that marriage is a partnership built on mutual agreement, not coercion. Another important reform was setting limits on forced marriages and child marriages. Islam discourages forcing anyone into marriage and encourages waiting until a person is physically and emotionally ready. Scholars debated the age of maturity, and today many Muslim countries have laws setting minimum ages to protect children. These steps align with Islamic principles of justice and compassion, ensuring families grow with care and responsibility. Islam also introduced rules for polygamy, which means having more than one wife. The Quran permits it, but only if a man can treat all wives fairly and provide for them equally. This means no favoritism or neglect. Modern Muslim countries often regulate or restrict polygamy further, requiring court approval or banning it altogether, to ensure fairness and protect women's rights. The idea of a dowry, called Mahr, was another key reform. Islam made it mandatory for the groom to give a gift to the bride, which remains her property. This protects her financially and affirms her independence. It also shows respect and commitment from the groom, making the marriage more balanced. Islam also changed how divorce is viewed. While traditionally seen as the husband's right, Islam introduced ways for women to seek divorce if they are harmed or neglected. Over time, many Muslim societies have expanded women's access to judicial divorce, making sure their dignity and safety are protected. Marriage registration and legal recognition are also part of Islamic reforms. Registering marriages with authorities helps protect the rights of both spouses and prevents disputes. It creates a clear record, making sure everyone's responsibilities are understood and respected. Finally, Islam emphasizes protecting family members from harm. Marriage laws prohibit neglect, abuse, or unfair treatment. They promote kindness, responsibility, and caring within the family, which helps build strong, modest, and spiritually grounded households. These reforms show how Islam aimed to create marriage as a sacred, fair, and nurturing institution. They support families in growing together with respect, justice, and spiritual growth, all rooted in Islamic teachings.